Hi guys, and welcome to Zozo Cooks Keto. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto-friendly strawberry jam. That's right, this stuff is absolutely delicious. It's really easy to make, and today we're doing a small batch which you can just stick in a jar and keep in your fridge, or if you'd like you can make a larger batch and I show you how to can it at the end of the video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 10 ounces of fresh ripe strawberries, diced, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 box of sugar-free strawberry Jello, of which we'll only be using 2 teaspoons. This ingredient will not only thicken our jam, it will also help sweeten and enhance those strawberry flavors. And finally, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of monk fruit for a little extra sweetness. But it's not required. In a small saucepan, add the diced strawberries. We'll need to break them down some before we begin cooking. To do this, I used a potato masher. There, that'll do. Make sure to wipe the masher clean so you don't lose any of those yummy strawberries. Add the Jello, water, and lemon juice. Mix until well combined and place on a medium-high heat. While stirring the mixture, make sure to wipe down any Jello crystals that may be clinging to the side of the pot. We'll want all of them to dissolve and then bring our mixture to a boil for about 10 minutes. Add the monk fruit and blend into the jam until dissolved. Once done, it's time to remove the foam buildup on the top of the strawberries. Take a spoon and just scrape the foam off the top. It's easier if you first move it to one side with a spatula. There, that's better. Time to jar our jam. In order to make it easier, I'll be using a jar grip, a funnel, and a stick magnet. In a second pot, I've been boiling 2 jars to store our jam. These are 1 cup size jars, as our recipe will make around 2 cups of jam. Using a jar grip or a pair of tongs, carefully remove the jars from the boiling water. Now, use the funnel to easily pour the jam into the jars. This should help contain the mess a little. Using a stick magnet, or use your tongs, remove the lid and rings from the pot and gently screw them onto the jar. Don't forget they're hot and don't over-tighten them. At this point, if you're looking to use the jam straight away, you can leave them out on the counter until they reach room temperature and then pop them in the fridge. Done this way, it should be good for a couple of weeks. If you're looking to store the jam longer, you'll need to pop them back into the pot and return them to a boil for around 12 minutes. Once done, remove them from the pot, let them get to room temperature, and then pop them in the fridge. For either method, once they're in the fridge, you'll need to shake the jars up every 30 minutes for the first 2 hours. This will prevent it from gelling into a solid strawberry block. Shaking the jam will allow it to thicken and set into a spreadable mixture. There. It's perfect with a cup of tea, a piece of mug bread, and a little whipped cream. For 1 tablespoon of jam, the macros are 0 grams of fat, 0.2 grams of fiber, 0.7 grams of total carbs, and 0.1 grams of protein. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to see more, Please click the subscribe button, the like button, and ring that bell for future notifications. Thanks for watching.
I like strawberries.
Don't worry, you're gonna get some.
Yummy.